Hello, everyone. We are here in Porto the um, at the ninth Urban Sketches Symposium, and I am Anabela Ferreira, and I'm Portuguese. I'm a volunteer here, and we are in the first sketch walk. Today is the first day of the symposium. There's more than 500 people attending to this event, and the sketch walk is taking place at Praça da Ribeira, and there's lots of people here. As you can see, the weather is very friendly, and we are going to talk with some people to know their feedback. Hello. Hello, we are live on Facebook. Where are you from?
Hi, I'm from Singapore.
I am from Singapore too. What do you think about Porto?
Beautiful, very beautiful.
Amazing. Is it your first time in the symposium?
Yeah, this is our first experience in symposium.
Are you excited?
Very totally.
Great. It's going to be an amazing day. And we are going to talk with a few more people. There's people from all over the world. Hello. Hello, where are you from? This couple is from France, and we are live on Facebook. What do you think about Porto?
Yes, I like very much. But my English is not very good, but it's very colorful.
Yeah, well, what's your name? Bridget is saying that Porto is very colorful, and so as you can see, there's a lot of inspiration to draw. We are going to talk with this woman. How are you?
Hello. Yes, it's Fefa.
Oh, Fefa. Well, is it your first time in a symposium?
Yes, I'm a newcomer.
Fefa, Fefa is Portuguese. I've been following her work, and it's first time in the symposium. Look at this. Hello. How are you? We are live on Facebook.
Yes, it's my first time. Yeah, I love Porto. It's really pretty. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much. Look, there's urban sketchers everywhere. Hello. Hello. We are live on Facebook. And what's your name?
Cornelia. Yeah. Yeah.
Cornelia, where are you from?
From Germany, from Hamburg. Yes, it is. Yeah. Very. Yes, it is. Yeah, it's great.
Okay, Cornelia is from Germany, and it's her first time in a symposium and in Porto, and she's enjoying very much. Thank you. Everyone is getting ready to get started to draw Pont Don Luís. And this is the perfect view to do it. Okay, guys, that's it. Tune in at 6 today at 6. There's going to be the opening of the exhibition with Rob Sketcherman here live on Facebook. Thank you, guys.